Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram notifications not showing problem on your iPhone. If you're not receiving any notifications on your Instagram, then here's how to fix the problem. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. If you're not receiving any Instagram notifications on your iPhone, then probably you've turned off the notifications for your Instagram. So, go to the settings from your iPhone, scroll down and find notifications and give it a tap. Select Instagram from the list of the applications and right where it says allow notifications, toggle on the button, and that is how you'll be able to turn on Instagram notifications in your iPhone settings. Once you've enabled the notification, go back to your Instagram account and see if that fixes your issue. Next time, you should be able to receive a notification as soon as there is an update on your Instagram. The other fix that you can try out is to simply go ahead and check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong internet. Sometimes because you don't have a strong internet, you might not be able to receive the notifications right on time that you should. So always make sure to be connected to a strong internet in order to be instantly updated with your Instagram on a daily basis. If nothing else works out, simply uninstall your Instagram application from your app drawer by tapping on Remove App and reinstall it back again from your app store. Those were some of the fixes you could try out whenever you're not being able to receive Instagram notification on your iPhone. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thanks for watching.